So how's it going, YouTube? Ethan here again. So I got some bad news. Wife's car broke down in Cornwall, 7 hours from home. Here, I'll show you what's going on. As you can see, the pulley on the outside of the AC compressor is seized, so the serpentine belt cannot move. So right now I'm getting my truck ready with a hitch right there that I borrowed from a friend. And I also am bringing a bunch of supplies such as tools, extra clothes in case I stay the night at a hotel, this extra light bar right here in case the trailer light hookup of my truck to the trailer I'm going to rent doesn't work. I have that. And then also in the back of my vehicle I brought some extra gas and gas cans. And right there in the red, 21 extra gallons. And I also brought a jack and jack stands in case I need to do anything to the vehicle before I start towing it. And then I also had to convert my 4-prong trailer connector into a 7-prong connector. So I'm going to go ahead and head to Norwich to rent a 22-foot aluminum trailer to tow my wife's vehicle back. Alright, so right here I got the aluminum trailer now all hooked up. So let's go ahead and get on the road. So I just happened to stop at a gas station to get some snacks, and I ended up seeing this awesome car right here.
So this is the RXC Coupe, built by Radical, Peterborough, hand-built, 450 horsepower V6 Ford engine. And the big thing about this car is downforce. It creates around 900 kilos of downforce at full speed, which is pretty epic.
Jeez.
And makes it round track faster than a P1 GTR. So it's very rapid, but zero electronics. It's the real deal, pure driving machine.
Very cool.
So I finally made it. 7 hours later. What a drive. Here's the car right now, right where I left it from last time. Got the truck and the trailer here. So let's go ahead and load it up. So I ended up making it back all safe and sound. Here's my vehicle on the trailer. I ended up not filming it being loaded and strapped down because it was very late, dark, and I was very tired. But also I'd like to mention that in this series I'll be doing a lot of voiceover because my GoPro makes a lot of internal sound in the case. But stay tuned, thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe.